Welcome back. We are learning just how bad 2020 was for the big oil companies and the challenges they're facing this year. Jared Blikre is back with a look at the day in oil, plus some big earnings reports. They're very telling, Jared, from ExxonMobil and BP.
Yeah, and we'll get to those earnings in a second here. Let's check out crude oil, which just settled at $54.76 per barrel. That is an 11-month high. You'd have to go all the way back to January of last year to see those prices, and you can see up 9% over the trailing year. Haven't seen that. So really, not only we've been talking about this trading range that it is now broken out of. That was from about $52 to $54. So this is very positive. And by the way, we do have the Joint Technical Committee for OPEC Plus meeting today. We're going to have more meetings throughout the week. These are on a monthly basis, so we're going to want to be paying attention to those as well. Now, here's our energy heat map, and we can see Exxon is up almost 2%. Now, this is despite posting the biggest annual loss, the first annual loss in 4 decades, and also posting a record $19.3 billion write-down. That is a lot of money, but it was well telegraphed. And why is the stock up right now? Probably because they are maintaining their dividend. In fact, they are going out of their way to make it clear that the $3.7 billion per quarter that they pay out to investors will be there no matter what, even if crude prices drop to $45 a barrel. They say they would simply slash CapEx, and that's what they've been doing. Now, we can also take a look at the BP. They just posted a really terrible earnings report. There's really no other way to go about it here. And let me just get the stock up because the foreign majors, they were quick to cut their dividend and then they reinstated them, but they haven't been defending them as aggressively as the U.S. majors like Exxon and Chevron. You see over the last year, BP is still down 42%. When you take a look at it compared to Exxon down about 26%, but just a little bit better off here. So watching the energy sector here, and OPEC Plus really going to be the focus this week.
All right, that's for sure. Thanks a lot, Jared.